Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do taxes through TurboTax. First, gather all your essential tax documents, such as W-2 forms, interest statements, and any other income or deduction records. Next, select the TurboTax product that best suits your tax needs, whether it is for simple returns or more complex situations. Finally, create a new account or log into your existing one to begin the process. Once logged in, TurboTax guides you through a simple, step-by-step interview process. You will enter your personal information, including your Social Security number and filing status. Then, input all your income details from various sources, like wages, self-employment, and investments. Don't forget to add any applicable deductions and credits. These can significantly lower your tax liability. Before filing, TurboTax conducts a comprehensive review of your return, checking for common errors and identifying potential missed deductions or credits. This is a crucial step to ensure accuracy. Take your time to carefully review all the information you have entered. Double-check your bank account details if you are expecting a refund or making a payment to avoid any delays. The final step is filing your tax return. You can choose to e-file, which is the fastest and most secure method, with refunds typically issued within 21 days. Alternatively, you can print and mail your return. After filing, you will receive a confirmation. Remember to save a copy of your completed tax return for your records, either digitally or physically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.